Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening Google Gemini and creating a new video project. This gets everything in one place. Once done, upload your clips, images, and any transcript or music files so Gemini can analyze them. Make sure to set project metadata, target length, tone, and aspect ratio like 16:9 or 9:16. You'll also pick a language and voice preference early. These influence how Gemini generates edits and narration, so choose deliberately before moving to timeline assembly. Next, use Gemini's storyboard and suggested cuts to arrange your main scenes. It analyzes content and proposes timing. Once arranged, manually refine trims and transitions to control pacing and lock any clips you want preserved. You should add voiceover prompts or place text-to-speech markers for narration. Explain where emphasis belongs so Gemini's model speaks naturally. Also apply color and audio leveling now, because consistent levels make automated mix suggestions more accurate when you finalize To finish, play the full video and accept or tweak Gemini's enhancement suggestions. Adjust music ducking, caption timing, and final cut points. Then export with your chosen codec, resolution, and caption inclusion. Pick the platform preset if available to simplify settings. If something goes wrong, rerun the suggested edits, confirm all media formats are supported, and verify account permissions. If automated narration sounds off, edit the TTS script directly and regenerate only that track to save time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.